Hi, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, Biotechnology and Technological Innovation is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet between November 10th and 17th, 2023. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, Biotechnology. News number 1, BRAGA TV, November 17, 2023, an open door at the Science and Technology Week. UMinho will be open to the public during the Science and Technology Week, with 25 activities for students and teachers. The program aims to connect with the scientific community, showcase the daily work of researchers, and encourage young people to pursue scientific technological fields. The School of Science, ECUM, will host the Science and Technology in Space Exploration meeting, while the Center for Biological Engineering, CEB, will host 6 activities around biotechnology and bioengineering. The I3BS will have open doors for students and the public to visit their labs and participate in networking activities. The Center for Research in Child Studies, CIEC, is organizing 6 initiatives to engage young students in educational research. These include a workshop on leadership practices, a debate on evaluation practices, a workshop on narrative discovery, a photo exhibition, and a coffee. The CIEC also promotes the 5th edition of the Network Dialogues, Effective Time Management during the PhD, and a debate on the challenges and opportunities of the PhD. News number 2, online site, November 17, 2023, Guatemalan group moves forward with millionaire research project in Porto. Seller Biotecnologia, a Chinese biotechnology company, will install a new industrial unit in Montes Claros, Minas Gerais, with a total investment of 17 million Brazilian reals. The unit will be built in partnership with the Chinese company Guangzhou Wenfo Biotech, with the aim of generating at least 100 jobs. The project is expected to start operating in August 2024. Seller Biotechnology, a mining company, will focus on human clinical diagnostics, veterinary research, and laboratory instrumentation and automation systems. The company will produce tests for a variety of purposes, using advanced technology that ensures prompt and reliable diagnosis. The move will also benefit both countries and society, as it will lead to more affordable and competitive products. The measure is expected to boost the biotechnology sector in Brazil. News number 3, 96.52p.fm, November 17, 2023, Biotechnological Innovation Fair brings sustainable solutions to UFRJ. Guatemalan Biorbis, led by Ingenio Magdalena, IMSA, has chosen Portugal to invest in its research area, with the aim of developing the next generation of biomolecules and transforming Portugal into a hub in this area. The project, which has an initial private investment of €3 billion, has a 5-year horizon and involves the integration of 40 researchers, 90% of whom are Portuguese, to develop a private research project called Circulas, which will be integrated into the facilities of the Center for Biotechnology and Pharmaceuticals. The goal is to develop innovative and sustainable molecules so that Biorbis can guarantee their production and, at the same time, commercialize them globally. The project will also produce alcohol for beverages, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. The main focus of the partnership is to carry out excellent research and transfer this research to the industrial sector. John Mello, co-financier and director of Biorbis, believes that the partnership aims to transform Portugal into a hub for the development of new biomolecules for plant, animal, and human nutrition. The meeting between the Catholic University and Biorbis is scheduled for November 20th at 11 a.m. News number 4, universaracionalista.org, November 17, 2023, why do so many food technologies end up failing? The scientific narrative about food biotechnologies, such as GM crops, is ineffective in predicting their role in developing and changing agricultural and food practices. The prevailing narrative fails to explain how food technologies are shaped by political, economic, and social factors, and how they are used by various stakeholders in society. Understanding the future of food and the role that new biotechnologies may or may not play in this context requires a broader conceptualization of food security, political economy, and agricultural practice. The scientific narrative in agriculture has been unable to predict the real role of new biotechnologies in agriculture. Genetically modified crops, such as soybeans, rapeseed, cotton, and corn, are accessible to resource-constrained farmers, limiting biodiversity and control over food production. Scientific science can be a key agent of change for change, pressuring universities to renounce patents. News number 5, Porto.pt, November 17, 2023, Center for Research and Innovation in Biomolecules will be born in Porto. A new biomolecule research and innovation center will be inaugurated in Porto, Portugal, on September 2nd. The project aims to develop the next generation of safe, sustainable, and high-value biomolecules. The project is part of a partnership between the School of Biotechnology of the Catholic University of Portugal and the international biotechnology company Biorbis. The initiative will involve an investment of €3 million, with a potential of $23 million over the next 5 years. The project will involve 40 researchers who develop a private research project called Circulas, which will be integrated into the facilities of the Biotechnology and Fine Chemistry Laboratory. Biorbis will commercialize new sustainable molecules from Portugal, and the partnership aims to transform Portugal into a hub for the development of new biomolecules for plant, animal, and human nutrition. Second block, Technological Innovation. News number 6, China to Brazil, November 10, 2023, pioneering course in the qualification of auditors of the Unified Health System holds inaugural class. China ranks 12th in the Global Innovation Index for 2023 and has led the world in the number of tech innovation clusters and hubs in the top 100. According to Xin Chongyu, director of China's National Intellectual Property Administration, China has 4,805 invention patents and 45,122 trademarks, as well as 6.353 million trademark registration cases in 2022. China has also ranked first in international patent applications for 4 consecutive years. The country is also strengthening the transformation and enforcement of intellectual property, with the implementation of the Special Action Plan for Patent Transformation and Application, 2023 to 2025, and the acceleration of patent licensing systems. The patent and trademark industries account for 12.44% and 7.41% of GDP, respectively, promoting quality economic development. Chongyu aims to accelerate the development of China's intellectual property as an innovation powerhouse. News number 7, Paraiba News, November 15, 2023, the 25th China High-Tech Fair opens in Shenzhen, setting a new record in scale. The 25th International Technology Fair, CHTF, in Shenzhen, China, will take place from November 15 to 19, 2023, with the theme of reinvigorating the power of innovation, improving the quality of development. The event will cover an area of 50,000 square meters, making it the most extensive and globally diverse event to date. The event will feature specialized exhibitions in Fujian, Bao'an and other districts, as well as the government and academic participation of 5 Chinese ministers, 33 provinces and cities, 27 prestigious universities and prominent enterprises such as Sinopec and PetroChina. The event will also focus on the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, offering a new opportunity for cooperation in scientific and technological innovation between countries. International representation will be made by countries in the Belt and Road region, including the United States, Qatar, Poland, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Greece, and China. The event aims to be a meaningful event, fostering global collaboration and the advancement of technology for a sustainable future. News number 8, ESTADO de Minas, November 17, 2023, UFMG promotes workshop on sustainable technological innovation. The Federal University of Minas Gerais, UFMG, will hold the 2 Technological Innovation Workshop WorkIT 2023 on November 29 and 30, 2022, in the auditorium of the Faculty of Economic Sciences, FACE. The event aims to promote sustainable technological innovation by bringing together leaders and experts in a multidisciplinary environment. The central theme of the event is innovation and sustainability, reflecting the academic community's commitment to sustainability. WorkIT 2023 aims to create a robust platform for discussions aimed at training multidisciplinary leaders equipped to drive sustainable technological innovation. The event will feature 4 main themes, including sustainable innovation, green technologies, social innovation, and public policies related to sustainability. The event will also feature the opening of the Paracordas Orchestra, the presentation of the Zero Waste Project and the Architects of the Village, showing the diversity and richness of approaches to sustainable innovation. The goal is to connect people and ideas, stimulate a strong network of sustainable innovation. News number 9, mochiba.rn.gov.br, November 17, 2023, Secretary of Health carries out joint effort to detect osteoporosis between November 21 and 24. The Makeba Health Department is expected to carry out a large-scale surgery and early detection of osteoporosis cases in the local network between November 21 and 24. The surgery will be performed at the Edelson Police Station in Albuquerque, Becerra, with 35 participants per shift. The surgery will begin at 9 a.m. and end at 1 p.m., with a requirement for personal documentation. Densitometry is currently the only type of test that allows early diagnosis, determining treatment and preventing fractures. However, it is expensive and difficult to access for the Makebian population. The surgery is part of a recent partnership between the municipality of Makeba and the Laboratory of Technological Innovation in Health, LAIS/UFRN, which will be available at no additional cost to the Macau population.